Hello everyone, my name is Sydney Stokes. This is my first video, so please be patient with me. This video is for those who are new to programming and would like to learn JavaScript. Before we get started with JavaScript, it's probably good to know HTML. I have a simple web page showing, so you could go back and read up on HTML, or you can look at what I have and try to work from there. But I plan on doing HTML5 videos in the near future. Welcome to JavaScript. Let's get started. Before we get started, there are some tools that you may need for JavaScript. The first one is a text editor. There's a lot of them out there. I use Dreamweaver, but you probably you can use that too, or you could use Microsoft Front Page, WordPress, Notepad++, WordPad, whatever floats your boat. Alright, also you need, of course, web browsers, because we're doing HTML5, which is what? Hypertext Markup Language. So, I have Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer. You can use those also. And you can also try Safari and some of those other browsers that are good for Macs. With Firefox, you want to install the latest Firebug tools so that you will be able to run your programs and view them in the developers tools, the console. Also, with Google Chrome, you go to Tools, JavaScript, Console. And with Internet Explorer, you hit the little Tools icon. You go to Developer Tools and select the Console icon. Firefox has Scratchpad, which is good to use for learning and playing with code. The first thing we're going to do is create an alert box. So we need our script tags. It's usually wise to put your script tags right before the closing body tag. Once upon a time, we used to have to write it like this. Script type equals quote end of quote the tag. But nowadays, we don't have to do any of that. We can just type script. And then we're going to close it. Put a closing script tag. And then we're going to go in between and create our alert box. So for an alert box, you just type alert. You have to have an opening parenthesis, 2 double quotes, a closing parenthesis, and also a semicolon. The semicolon lets the browser know that this is the end of the line of code. And in a lot of program languages, C++, Java, C, you also use a semicolon to let it know that this is the end of the line of code. So we're going to say, hello world. I'm going to refresh it, save it. Now let's try to preview it. Let's preview it in Chrome first. There it is. There's your alert box. Now let's try it in Firefox. And there it is, your alert box. So that's the end of this first tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, got something out of it, and hope to see you in my next one. Goodbye.